This right here is for the people in the classroom learning. This right here is for the books they read, pages turning. This right here is for the problem that they gonna face. This right here is for my people that will change their game.
Right now it's 8:30. Will you escort me to the party? You go enjoy and be happy. I wanna see this girl Sandy. Will you bring with you your laptop so that I can say what's up? I go give you some message. I go ask you if you are engaged. And then I'm Kawa, and then my Tash Woodum Accra. Remember who some of you this guy, my GDP war Ghana. Then you're ready, near $4. Then near no Fanta. And then you like a time say, oh, no, then bear fried rice. Okay,
check me right here.
I'm in the light.
Find me down there.
I'm so bright.
I'm overseas.
See you soon.
I'm gonna eat.
You're in noon.
I need my father say
Hello.
You know say I get
go.
My friend be
Ashido.
He talk say he flow. He talk say he like flow. But you don't wanna flow. You wanna promote me. You want the world to cease.
My name is Sana. I come from Ghana. I eat banana with Hannah Montana. I like Savannah. Like bandana with a little Cantana.
This right here is for the people in the classroom learning. This right here is for the books they read, pages turning. This right here is for the problem that they gonna face. This right here is for my people that will take the game.
I'm fire because I'm higher. I don't wanna be a liar. People they call me Tiger. Something Delilah, mind reader. I know I check there. I'm doing that because me a fast here. No boy me nam ton there. Since what I'm going to there. So once in the menu what there. Continue to know what's the yo. This girl so pretty. Her name is Sandy. He tastes like candy. And she be so funny. Baby, I will love you till I die. I always say hi. It's not like I feel shy. You look like butterfly, so move it, lady. Move it, Shelly. Move it, Kelly. Move it, lady. Here, Blunt here. Yanto was here. Foreign Grant here. Janet here. Obama.
Yo.
Obama president. Obama president. He basically president. Apple parliament. The Pamela Refair. This guy here too fair. He is my girlfriend. As you said. I have to share.
Okay. This right here is for the people in the classroom learning. This right here is for the books they read, pages turning. This right here is for the problem that they gonna face. This right here is for my people that will change the game.
Yo, we like them hip hop, yo. I want, 2, 3, hip hop.